Hello everyone, happy Deepavali. So, how you are going to celebrate Deepavali? See, how whatever we make, it's in our hand. We can make it healthy one. We can serve new recipes to our guest also, and try this one is very delicious and new one, and it's a unique one. You must try this. It's a payasam. It's a pumpkin payasam, vegan, no dairy, no sugar. Okay, and it's very delicious. You must try. And it's no cooking also. No cooking. Yes, believe it. It's no cooking payasam and very tasty, very delicious. Let's start how to make this beautiful payasam. For this, I have taken here cashews. How much you want, you can take approximately. Like I have taken here 10 or 9, like that. Just you no need to soak also, because we are going to keep this in a fridge for a while, like 2 3 hours, then you can have it, so it will soak in between. I am taken here quarter cup of pumpkin. It's a raw pumpkin. Okay, it's a raw pumpkin and the tightly packed pumpkin in a quarter cup, but you can use little bit if you want, but that raw pumpkin taste is also very nice. You must try it and try. Let's see. If you don't like that raw pumpkin taste, you can just steam it little bit and then you can add it. But I'm using here like no cooking, right? And jaggery also, it's a organic jaggery. I got it liquid like that itself. And 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a grounded cinnamon powder. And see, that's it. You have just mix this properly, and now you can add. It's a coconut milk. Okay, you can take any plant-based milk, almond milk also you can make, and you can do that also. It will become more rich, and the taste will also give little slight different taste. So I'm using here coconut milk and just mix it. See, it's done. And some more ingredient it requires, like one. I have used only for this quantity. I have used one date. My dates was sweet, so I'm using only one. Chopped dates you can add. I'm adding later. See how beautiful it is. You just try the taste when you keep this in a fridge like 2 3 hours, and then that cashews also, we have put the raw cashews, that will also absorb this milk, and that will also nice. You can add your if you like raisins also, just add like that. No need to roast or anything, just add, and it will it will absorb the milk itself. Okay, so I'm just pouring this in a serving bowl. You can use any bowl. I'm taken here matka, like clay pot. So on that, I am going to garnish now. You can be creative. Whatever you want to garnish, you can garnish. So I am just sprinkling little bit of cinnamon powder on top of it. So, and I'm adding here, see, dates. You have to chop this dates, small dates, small pieces like that, and you can add some more on topping, like a bigger one like this. So both you can do, or whatever shape or size you like, you can do that also. So I'm using here pumpkin seeds. You can use any seeds on top of that. Any nuts will go with this, any seeds. Even chia seeds also you can add in this. It will give different taste. So try the new, like adding different like if I add one nut, you try another nuts or another seeds, like that also you can do. Yeah, that's it. See how beautiful it is, right? And how much time it take? Only 5 minutes. You can do this like whenever you want. If you have a pumpkin in your house, just do it and see the taste. If you find it good, I loved it. I loved the taste. It was awesome. The drawness of pumpkin was good, but however, you see how which is better for you. You can do it. You can slightly steam it, and you can add the same thing. Okay, guys, that's it. You make this recipe and let me know in the comment how it turned out. Okay, see you in the next video. Namaste.